Hello, Smart Sprouts. Welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to learn something very important and fun in grammar. Prepositions. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, let's understand. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word that shows the position or place of a noun or pronoun. It tells us where, when, or how something is. Say it with me. A preposition shows position or place. Look at this sentence. The book is on the table. Here the word on shows the position of the book. So on is a preposition. Let's see more examples. The cat is under the chair. The ball is in the box. The boy is standing near the door. Can you spot the prepositions? Yes. Under, in, near. Great job. Now let's learn some common prepositions. Place prepositions. In, on, under, behind, in front of, between and near examples. The pencil is in the bag. The dog is behind the chair. The school is near my house. Prepositions can also tell us time. Common ones are
at, on, in.
Let's take an examples. I wake up at 6 a.m. My birthday is on Monday. We play games in the evening. Now it's your turn. Listen carefully and tell me the preposition. 1. The cat is hiding under the bed. 2. The clock is on the wall. 3. The children are standing in front of the school. Did you get them right? Excellent work. Smart Sprouts. Here's an easy tip to remember prepositions. If the word tells you where something is, it is probably a preposition. Your homework is very simple. Write 3 sentences using prepositions like in, on, under. Write them in the comments. I'll read them. Great job today, Smart Sprouts. I'm so proud of you. If you enjoyed the lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Sprouts for more fun grammar lessons. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing.